Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I have a wig that is over a year old and it looks dusty and crusty. It is so matted. It is brittle. It just looks embarrassing, honestly. This wig has become my gym wig. This is the one that I just wear under hats because nobody's trying to wear this out in public. It has reached its expiration date for looking good. So I thought. But if you're like me and you have a wig that is a looser texture that you can't get your fingers through, that is matted in the back, it's very resistant, you literally want to burn it, girl, I got you. Don't burn it. Not just yet. For those who probably thought that we were going to be boiling the wig in order to revive it, we're not going to be doing that for this video. We're going to be using a deep conditioning treatment by Absorver, which has BURITI oil, and this is good for rebuilding and moisturizing and also rehydrating your hair. This product is really thick and it's loaded with powerful antioxidants that promote cell renewal and anti-aging. So this is really going to help to extend the life of your wig. And if you're anything like me, when you spin your coin, you want it to last a long time. So I rinsed the hair first, and this is what it's looking like. It's still resistant. The water didn't do anything. And honestly, in the past, I've actually used a deep conditioning treatment on this hair, and it didn't do anything. It still was stiff and just it was lifeless. But I applied this product, and y'all, the moment that I applied it, it literally started to loosen the tangles right away. I was so blown away. I wasn't sure if this product was going to work. I was really on the fence, but it works wonders. It's like magic. It melted those tangles away immediately. It did not take long at all. Right now, I'm just finger combing and I go to the back, and that's the area that's the most difficult to keep tangle free or to maintain. And y'all know this, the back of the area of your wig gets matted super fast. So deep conditioning with a product like this is really going to help. This product actually is formulated with a film that goes over the hair and acts as a protective component to help your wigs to last much longer. So I just applied it all over the hair. I applied a generous amount, and then I grabbed my detangling brush. I detangled the hair thoroughly, and then I allowed it to sit. Now, I did it for longer than what they suggested on the website. The instructions actually say about 5 to 10 minutes. So not only is this an easy process, it's also meant to be rather quick. But whenever I deep condition, for some reason, I just kind of walk away from it and start doing other stuff. So an hour went by, and then I began to rinse the product out, and the hair was so shiny. It was so pliable, easy to manipulate, and the back looked so good. That's the hardest area, I'm telling y'all. But I was really surprised. Now, the downside to this particular product, which is really not a downside, is that it more so works for looser textures. So if you're looking for a product that's going to work for your kinky, curly hair, this is not it, but it will do a phenomenal job on textures like this. I was so amazed by how this unit turned out. It's specifically designed for these type textures. And I'm not certain if it would actually work well on a synthetic wig, but I'd imagine that it would if it's a looser texture. It did a very good job. It moisturized the hair. It looked really beautiful, and I was so pleased with it. After deep conditioning it, I'm just blow drying it. I'm going to proceed to flat iron, and to my surprise, it looked as good as new. The hair was really soft, silky. It had life. It had movement. I was just so blown away and so happy that I tried this particular product. I will leave the link for you guys down in the description box in case you all are interested. And I noticed on the website, they do also offer a sample packet for only $2. So if you want to try the sample first, I'd say go that route if you're not ready to take the plunge and try the full size, which I'd highly recommend because this was a lifesaver. My wigs are going to be lasting so much longer, and I'm all about it. So you all be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend, hook a sister up. And also leave a comment down in the comment section. I look forward to your comments and feedback, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.